Next question QABD is, here it is, from the following data given below, the two regression coefficient, the two regression equation, the coefficient of correlation between years of experience and income in thousands of rupees of employee of an organization. Find the initial start of for a person applying for a job after serving for a period of 12 years. So we have to find out two regression equation. So write on the question this one. So here it is the question. 11, 7, 9, 5, 8, 6, 10. Income in thousand, it is called as Y. 7, 5, 3, 2, 6, 4, 8. So now we have to do the total of X and total of Y. 11 plus 7 plus 9 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6 plus 10 is 56. So income of Y is 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 8. That is total of Y is 35. Now we have to calculate mean of X, that is equal to sigma X divided by N. This is only sigma X. This is sigma Y. Sigma X is 56 divided by N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Numbers. How many? Number. 56 divided by 7 is 8. Same thing for Y. Sigma Y divided by N. Sigma Y is 35 divided by 7. 35 divided by 7 is 5. So now we have to do X is equal to X minus X bar. X is equal to X minus X bar. X is square. Then Y is equal to Y minus Y bar, Y square. Then X, Y we have to calculate. So X bar is 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. 7 minus 8 is minus 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 5 minus 8 is minus 3. 8 minus 8 is 0. 6 minus 8 is minus 2. 10 minus 8 is plus 2. Then X square. 9, 1, 1, 9, 0, 4, 4. Then again for Y. Y is 5. Y bar. 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. 8 minus 5 is 3. So this will be 0. Y square 4, 0, 4, 9, 1, 1, 9. So now X1, this into this. 3 2s are 6. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Minus 3 into minus 3, plus 9. 0 into 1, 0. Minus 2 into minus 1, 2. 2 into 3, 6. So now we have to total this. So total minus 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 plus 1 minus 3 plus minus 2 plus 2. Value is 0. So here this one. 9 plus 1 plus 9 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4. That is 28. So this one minus 2 minus 2 can cancel. 3 3 get cancel. Minus 1 minus 1 get cancel. This is also 0. So this one total. 4 plus 4 plus 9 plus 1 plus 1 plus 9. This is also 28. So this one total 6 minus 2 plus 9 plus 2 plus 6. 21. So here we have to apply the formula for coefficient of correlation. So there has to regression equation and coefficient of correlation. First we have to write regression equation. regression equation formula is x on y, that is equal to x minus x bar is equal to sigma xy divided by sigma y square into y minus y bar. Y on x is equal to y minus y bar is equal to sigma xy divided by sigma x square into x minus x bar. So x on y, x value we have to find out. X is equal to x minus x bar is 8 is equal to sigma x bar is 21 divided by sigma y square is 28 into y minus y bar is 5. So first we have to divide it. 21 divided by 28 is 0.75. X minus 8 is equal to 0.75 into y minus 5. X is equal minus 8 is equal to 0.75 y minus, means we have to multiply this minus 0.75 into y minus 0.75 into pi, values 3.75. X is equal to 0.75 y minus 3.75 plus 8. So for this we have to add 5. X is equal to 0.75 y minus, plus value it will be coming 8 minus 3.75. We get 4.25. So this is one equation. So same thing we have to do for the y. Y minus 5 is equal to sigma x by 21. Sigma x square is 28. X is, well, we have to find out x minus x bar is 8. Y minus 5 is equal to 21 divided by 25. Already we got 0.75 into x minus 8. So we have to multiply this. Y is equal to 0.75 x minus 0.75 into 8, value is 6. Y is equal to 0.75 x minus 6 plus 5. Y is equal to 0.75 x minus 1. This is equation 2 to find out the value of one equation and second equation. Now we have to find out the coefficient of correlation. Here they ask two regression equation. Two regression equation means x on y bx, that is sigma xy divided by y, sigma y square, sigma xy divided by sigma x square we have to find out. So that is only two regression coefficient. This is the coefficient. So equation is this one, regression equation. So now we have to find out coefficient of correlation. R is equal to sigma xy divided by root of sigma x square into sigma y square. This is coefficient of correlation equation. Sigma xy is 21 divided by root of sigma x square is 28, y square is 28. So 21 divided by 28 into 28 means 28 square. We can able to write it 28 square, whole square. So here root will get cancelled. 21 divided by 28, that is equal to 0.75. So you can able to write it like this also. 28 into 28, we will get one answer, that is 784. For that we have to here this one method. So other method is 21 divided by root of 784 if we multiply it. So 784 root is 28. It is 0.75. So this is coefficient of correlation. So one more thing given here, that is find out the initial start for the payment for a person applying for a job after serving a period of 12 years. Service is 12 years means x is given. If x is equal to 12, we have to find out the y. So here y value is there. This one equation is there that we have to take. Y is equal to 0.75 x minus 1 minus 1. Y is equal to 0.75, x is 12 minus 1. 0.75 into 12, we will get 9 minus 1. Y is equal to 9 minus 1 is 8. So if the service is 12 years, then the income is 8. So this is the answer. So first we have to find out equation and coefficient of correlation, and they given the value of x, we have to find out the y. So here one more is there. Question: estimate the value of x when y is 25. So they given, check your question, we have to find out value of x. We don't know the value of x, but they given y is equal to 25. They given certain information x and y. So x mean of x is 25, mean of y is 30, variance is 25, variance of y is 16, and r is equal to 0.5. This one they given the information. So if here variance is given, first we have to find out the standard deviation. So standard deviation formula we required. So here they given the mean of x bar is equal to 25, y bar is equal to 30. Variance is given, we have to find out standard deviation of x. Standard deviation of x is equal to 25, whatever value is, that root is standard deviation. Root of 25 is 5. Then standard deviation of y is equal to root of 16. For root of 16 is 4. Then standard deviation of x is 5. Standard deviation of y is 4. So if variance is given, then we have to find out the root. If standard deviation only they given, then we have to write out directly. So no need of calculating the root for that. So directly we can able to write it. In this question they given, we have to find out the x. So x we have to find out means that is x on y. X on y formula is x minus x bar is equal to, here we have to write it sigma xy divided by sigma y we are writing, but here in this, if the standard deviation is given, then r standard deviation of x divided by standard deviation of y into y minus y bar. So standard deviation of x minus x bar is 25. Here r is regression equation value is they only given 0.5 into standard deviation of x is 5 divided by standard deviation of y is here r is equal to 0.8. Standard deviation of y is 4 into y minus y bar is 30. Mean of y is 30. X minus 25 is equal to 0.8 into 5. Value is 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 divided by 4 into y minus 30. 4 divided by 4 is 1 into y minus 30. So here x is equal to y minus 30, it will be plus 25. X is equal to y minus 30 plus 5 is minus 5. So here they given, if y is equal to 25, what will be the value? If they given y is equal to 25, so x is equal to 25 minus 5. So x value is equal to 20. So here we have to write it. when y is equal to 25, x value is 20. This they will ask for 5 marks. Next question, here they given r is equal to 0.16. R is Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. So, and also they given standard deviation of x is 6 and bxy is regression equation of x on y. Bxy means regression equation x on y. X on y. Yx or y on x is equal to 0.8. We have to find out standard deviation of y. Find out standard deviation of y. So here we know bxy. Bxy means that is only this one. The formula whatever here we wrote, that one only. R standard deviation of x divided by standard deviation of y. That is xy. For bxy is given as 0.8. R is 0.16 into standard deviation of x is 6. We have to find out standard deviation of y. So here we have to multiply this. Standard deviation of y 0.8 is equal to 0.16 into 6. Value is 0.96. Standard deviation of y is equal to 0.96 divided by 0.8. 96 divided by 0.8, the value is standard deviation of y is equal to 1.2. Next is same type is given. So here if xy is equal to 0.8961 and byx is minus 0.11, we have to find out bxy. So formula for rxy or yx, this is r only regression equation. So if they given bxy into byx, so they given r is equal to minus 0.8961, byx is equal to 0.11, and we have to find out bxy. We have to find out bxy. We have to find out. So here r is given as 0.8961. 0.8961. So here root of 0.11. 0.11. Whatever it may be. If we repeat it like this, reverse also, it will be the same answer. Bxy. So 0.8961 is equal to root of 0.11 into bxy will be there. So if it is the root, we have to remove the root. How we have to remove the root? Means squaring both the side. If we square both the side, in bracket we can write square both side, then only we can able to remove. So 0.8961 whole square is equal to root of 0.11 into bxy whole square. So here square get cancelled. So this value it will be there. 0.8961 into 0.8961, 0.80299 is equal to 0.11 into bxy. 0.9901299 divided by bxy value is 0.11 bxy. So this one bxy is equal to 0.80299 divided by 0.11. This one divided by 0.11. The value is bxy is equal to 7.299. That is 7.3 approximately. 7.3. So when they given regression equation, the formulas will be getting confused. When they given regression equation of x on y, y on x, so this formula you have to write it. X on y, r minus mean of x is equal to sigma xy divided by sigma y square into y minus y bar. Y on x. So this formula will be different. So here whatever sigma xy divided by sigma y square is there, no, for that we can able to write it this method also. R is equal to sigma x divided by sigma y. So this all same only. X minus x bar is equal to here b xy into y minus y bar. So this one also same, b xy, or here b xy is equal to this one r into standard deviation of x divided by standard deviation of y. bxy is equal to r into standard deviation of x into standard deviation of y. So here the r, this is for coefficient of correlation. So coefficient of correlation. So coefficient of equation, that is equation r is equal to bxy into byx root of this. This also same, here I wrote r is equal to bxy into byx. bxy is r into standard deviation of x divided by standard deviation of y. So byx is equal to r into standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x. So this formula yxk, this one it will be applied. So this is called as formula for this one. So write down this one. Here one more question is just try this. The following data related to the regression equation. Next class, if you tried, just ping me the answer. If you didn't if you didn't get the answer, then next class I will inform how we have to solve this problem. So here they given sigma x is 18. Sigma, the following related to the regression equation analysis over a paired sample of 6 items. N is equal to 6, they only given. Sigma x is 18. Sigma y is 216. Sigma xy is equal to 738. Sigma x square is equal to 370. Sigma y square is equal to 8332. Obtain two regression equation, also estimate y. So we have to find out the y when x is equal to 4. So here obtain two regression equation, we have to find out x on y and y on x. We have to find out both, but we have to apply only value of x. So when the value of x is equal to 4, we have to find out the value of y. So y on x we have to find out. So this one you have to write it, x on y, y on x. So we have to find out the y, that is y value we have to find out. This formula equation you will get now based on this. So this formula you have to apply. After that only you have to do the equation. So here mean total of x is given, total of y is given. So first we have to find out the mean of x, that is sigma x divided by n. 18 divided by n, they only given us 6. So mean of x is 3. So same thing for y, mean of y is sigma y divided by n. 2 and 6 divided by 6. That is 36. So after this only you have to find out x on y. So formula for x on y is x minus x bar is equal to sigma xy divided by sigma y square into y minus y bar. Y on x is y minus y bar is equal to sigma xy divided by sigma x square into x minus x bar. Solve this equation. So apply this x minus x bar is 3, x bar is 738, sigma x square is 8332, y minus y bar is 36. This and solve this equation.